how to open eToro account. It is quite a simple process to open your eToro account no matter wherever you're from. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the eToro application here. Once you launch the eToro app, this is the interface that you will actually be able to see right here. Now here, if you already have an account, at the bottom you can see a blue button that says sign in, but since we're trying to open a new account, we will select the continue button instead. Now once we've basically done that and tap on get started, there are many ways to create your eToro account with using your Google account or your Facebook account, or you can use an independent email. So depending upon what is more comfortable for you, you can simply select any of your account details right here. If you want to continue with Google, you can select your Google account and follow up with the instructions to be able to create your eToro account. This way you'll be able to open your eToro account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.